Hello, everybody. It's Miss Fisher. It is Monday, April 15th. Hope everybody has had a great start to their week. I just wanted to do a little help video, informative video for the next assignment because some people are having questions and I just want to make sure we're all on the same page. Okay, I'm going to do a replica of the interpretation activity. You'll see that you have the IQ. This is for Ben Stumped. Okay. And you also have, so you have his IQ, you have his cluster test results, and then you have to state whether or not he would be SLD in an area. Okay. So I'm going to pull up my own report, and this is I did on Elmo the Muppet. Okay, Elmo I have being at 10 years, his grade level. He's currently in 4th grade, 7th month. I did put his IQ here, okay? And so what you're going to go and do is then figure out what areas he might be SLD in, okay? And you're going to be basing it on the standard score, which is right here, okay? This SS right here. Okay, so this is kind of what I do. So I will take a text box and I will, or if you want to write it, you can too. Okay. All right. So I'll go and I say, okay, so based on the discrepancy model, I look to see is, okay, his IQ is within the standard range, which is, remember, 85 to 115. Okay. His academic is lower than 85. And then I look to see, is there a 20-point discrepancy? Okay. So I get my trusty calculator out. Okay, so 87 minus 59. Okay, there's a 20-point discrepancy. So I say yes. Okay. Then I go on to the next one, broad reading. Okay, again, same thing. IQ is always within the average range. This is below 85, and it's more than 20 points, so yes. Okay, go on to the next one. All right, so we got 87 minus the 66. Okay, that's just meets the discrepancy. Okay, so I would say yes. Okay, copy. And it also has it for reading, reading skills. Okay, now let's look at mathematics. Okay, so we have 87 minus 76. Okay, so no, he would not qualify here. Okay, no. He wouldn't qualify for math, broad math. Okay, he wouldn't calculate for math calc. Okay, let's look at written language. So then 87 minus 62. Okay, so yes, he would here. Okay, he would qualify here. Okay, written language, let's double check that. So 87 minus 69. So no, he would not qualify here. Okay. So what I would say if I was a student, or if I was a practitioner I would say Elmo the Monster qualifies as a student with a specific learning disability in reading, broad reading, basic reading skills, read and fluency, written language, and broad written language. Okay. I would say some of his, based on standard scores, I would say some of his strengths are going to be applied problems, math fluency is pretty good. Okay. Some weaknesses would be definitely, sentence reading, fluency, spelling. So just basically, reading in general. Okay. Okay. Some areas he did not qualify in, but were kind of low. I would definitely say written expression, even though he didn't qualify, is still pretty low. So I would keep track, kind of keep an eye on that and see if maybe either that goes up or if that does stay an area of weakness. Definitely make sure he's receiving accommodations. And differentiation instruction to make sure you're helping with that. Okay, that is basically the interpretation. If you have questions, please let me know.